Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with this week's lecture video, which will be about the peer review process here. So, once again, let me be clear, this is a two-part submission. Some people have uploaded their draft to the discussion board here and completed the peer report. Some students then have not uploaded it to the assignment, the first draft assignment. Let me demonstrate that here. Okay, get to assignments. Here it is. First draft research essay upload. This is worth 5% of your total grade. It is a two-part process, 5% for the draft upload, and then 5% for the peer reviews that you write on each other's drafts. I want to be clear about that. All right, so it's two parts. So some people have uploaded to the discussion board, but not the first draft. Some people have uploaded to the first draft, but not the discussion board. So the object here, everyone, is to do it in two parts. That way you can get as much as you can of the two, let me see here, the two grades, correct? So let me get to the peer review discussion board here. Alrighty, here we go. Now this is simple. If you take your time and read the instructions, I'm asking you to write a report here about 150 to 200 words of what your drafting journey was like. Okay, and then the following section here is to use this complete template. Some people are not really offering up much in the way of the three items. There's really 1 and 2 word kind of suggestions, not providing any direction for your peer reviewers, and also provide suggestions on how to improve my draft. Some people fail to capture this whole template, so I want to be clear about that. As you go through it and listen to this video, please capture this whole template that's used there. Now, I give you two options. You have to choose one of option 1 and one of option 2. It's an and situation. So you're going to write a peer review directly answering the 3 issues the writer mentions in the report. Now, that's pretty straightforward. That's 1, 2, and 3. Offer real suggestions. Don't tell everybody how great the draft is, even though it might be great. Offer real suggestions and locations to help them improve the draft. All right. Now, if you want to go back to the template, if you ask for more specific information here, you're going to get more specific information and suggestions about your first draft. Option 2 is to use your AI software to assist in offering feedback. Okay, it's real straightforward. Whatever you use, ChatGPT is usually what everybody's using. You can upload the document, a Word or PDF document, to the AI, all right? The free versions of ChatGPT will turn around and use a document upload. And then copy and paste the AI results as part of your reviews, disclose your AI content, and reflect on the results and accuracy and suggestions. Do you agree or disagree with the AI output there? And each peer review should be at least 200 words, all right? So this is the process, and it's pretty kind of like, well, I keep saying straightforward, but it really is. Now you have a PDF here that you can take a look at if you were going to do one. In some instances, some students didn't upload a copy of their draft. Some of them have Word docs. Now, I don't know whether your particular software will be able to read a Google Doc link. So you might want to take that in consideration for you out there who have used a Google Doc link. You might want to upload a PDF. All right, the idea here is whether it's a docs or a PDF. And I have an example where I can show everyone where and how this all works. So we have some good suggestions here. And what I've uploaded is the format and here, all right? I've uploaded, I am a community college student who needs help revising my research essay about challenges and opportunities faced by undecided college students. Here are 3 issues that concern me. And we know that if you look at it, all of this is about being undecided when it comes to a major, okay? So I have here the upload of the PDF right from my downloads. You can see it here, right from my downloads folder. All right, let me get this out of the way. And then let's see what we get in the way of an output. So this is a live test here. So I just want to make sure everybody's aware that this can go wrong. I've done this before, but I have also mixed results. But sometimes there are some pretty epic results coming out of Gemini in chat. Okay. So as you see, it's thinking and analyzing right here on the screen while your paragraphs delve into different aspects and changes. Suggestion 1 is consider adding transition phrases or sentences. Suggestion 2, re-examine the order of your paragraphs. All right, that might be an option right there. Remember, overall structure, stronger concluding section. Use of citations and sources is addressed here. Okay, MLA style, engagement and clarity. Now these are pretty generic, or I wouldn't say vague, but they're pretty basic suggestions. Okay, so the idea here is then you might discover, and I've been using this all semester long for my COM 101 courses. You might discover some areas that you, what I call the naked eye, when you read a draft, it might not consider. So this is what this will happen. And then when you get to the idea of then copying and pasting, which you can do that out of there, add that to your reply. And at the same time, then comment on it. Do you agree? Do you disagree? It's a two-part process. The running the AI output, copy and pasting it, and then basically responding to what they have to say. It's a little bit of a reflection on the output, what you think there. So I think this is worthwhile. Like I mentioned, my COM 101 classes have been using it for peer review and other activities all semester long. So this might give you a little exposure on how AI can help you perform some of the basic functions in a composition class. If you have any questions or issues about this process, please send me an email. Good luck.